second quarter of game 4.
Sue Bird, it's only one word to describe her. It's great.
What a fourth quarter for the 11th-time All-Star Sue Bird.
Sue Bird has taken over for her Seattle team.
Sue's everything. I feel like she's the best point guard who's ever played the game.
Bird will take. You bet. She's unconscious right now.
Sue Bird is a huge reason why I play this game. Such a great player, but such a special person.
Sue Bird with ice pouring out of her veins in this fourth quarter.
You really can't speak to how hard it is to do what she's doing at the level that she's been doing it for as long as she's been doing it, and she's a legend.
Bird heaves. True. It is her night.
She just doesn't seem to age. She just continues to get better and better, and she makes her team so great.